Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. Let us begin our today's lesson. You are instructed to view your lesson video carefully and then submit your homework to your teacher. Today, we are going to practice the creative writing, and the topic that we are going to do today is the picture description. As you can see on your screen, there is a picture. In picture description, we describe a picture. Since it might be a new thing for some of you, so I am going to tell you the few tips about how to do the picture description. First of all, in order to do the picture description, we have to observe the picture carefully. We have to observe the details given in the picture. For example, we are supposed to observe the location where the picture is present. For example, in this picture, the people, they are present in a garden. Similarly, we are supposed to observe the weather that is depicted in the picture, how many people are there, what is their mood, what are they doing, are they happy, are they sad. And when we observe all those things, we start compiling them, we start writing them, and this is called picture description. Let us make it further easier for you. Here is a guideline for you on how to do the picture description. The title of the picture is already given. It is in the vegetable garden. So basically, the picture tells us about the family that is present in a garden, and it is a vegetable garden. Now please start observing, where are these people? They are present in a vegetable garden. Then we are supposed to notice what is weather like. It is a pleasant day, it is a sunny day. As you can see, the sun is shining. How many people are there in the picture? There are 4 people in this picture and 1 scarecrow. So basically there are 4 people: father, mother, a son and a daughter. What does the boy harvest? If you observe carefully, here is the boy and he is harvesting tomatoes. What other vegetables can you find here? Let us look at this picture. There are cucumbers, there are corns, there are pumpkins in this picture. What cloth does the woman wear? She is wearing a pant with a shirt and a hat on her head. What color do the houses have? What does the girl do? Which animals are there in the garden and which season is it? Let's look at the picture again. It is the summer season. Since no one is wearing a jacket or a sweater, they are wearing hats to cover their faces from the sunlight. There are birds in this picture. There is a squirrel. People are happy. They are working in a garden. In this way, we are going to describe the picture. For example, we can say in this picture, a father, mother, and a son and a daughter, they are present or they are working in a vegetable garden. Boy is harvesting the tomatoes. They are very happy. It's a bright sunny day. There are many other vegetables in the garden like the corns, pumpkins, cucumber. A squirrel is playing on the roof of the house. The house is pink in color, and so on. You can also name these character if you like. For example, you can say the father is working in the garden. His name is Ali. Sarah is harvesting the cucumber. Similarly, you can say Ahmad is harvesting the tomatoes. If you like, you can also name your characters. So in the picture description, first of all, we observe the location of the picture. Then we observe how many people are there, what are they doing, what is the weather, what are they wearing, are they happy or are they sad. Now we are moving towards our today's homework. I hope the picture description is clear. Here is the picture description. The title is already written at the park. Observe this picture. In this picture there are 4 kids. They are playing. If you want, you can also name them. For example, Sarah is sitting on the slide, Ali is sitting on the swing, Ahmed is playing with the cat, he is holding a ball, and then so on. It's a bright sunny day. Flowers are blooming, everyone is happy, they are flying, birds are chirping, and so on. You can write 6 to 7 sentences by looking at this picture, and this is your homework. No need to make this picture again into your notebook. Just give the heading, picture description, and then write the topic of the picture, which is at the park, and then start writing. There should be at least 6 to 7 sentences about this picture. This is your diary for today. Complete the given worksheet and submit your homework to your concerned teacher. And here is the reminder, stay home and stay safe. Thank you, students. Take care.